DJT Stock Analysis and Predictions in 1 minute time. Watch this short video to the end to gain clarity on whether I'm buying or selling next. So we're sitting at $35 right now and 91 cents, 10% up, which is super good. I myself, yes, I'm bullish, but I'm going to show you exactly what I'm waiting for to take this thing higher. Just for context, I'm using my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So Trump Media Stock, I've gotten one break up, and that's 2 hour chart. What I'm like, for me to really be bullish, I need to be in a bullish range, and that's if the price retraces down and breaks the high again. So that's exactly what I'm waiting for a bullish range. And then from a bullish range you look for potential upside moves. So it's levels to the game. So yeah, all I can do right now is just wait and also focus on other thicker symbols as well. So it's not like I'm going to be now looking at things. I'm going to look, but I'm going to be patient. For more value and details, check out the first link in the description.